I'm going to show you how to create simple cartoon profitable music videos in today's video. So see you soon on the other side.
Welcome to rock a world where vision comes alive. With design and coordination, we help you thrive. Beautiful events, crafted with care. Join us on the journey, we'll take you there. Subscribe today, don't miss a beat. Rock a world events, watch your dreams grow.
By the way, guys, we offer event planning and design services. So you can check out our website www.rockaworld.com for more information. In order to generate our cartoon musical videos, we need lyrics, and usually we use ChatGPT when it comes to things like this. But there is this new tool that I want us to try out known as Deepseek. It's a Chinese tool and it works really amazing. So I want us to try it out in today's video, and we see the kind of results that it provides. So it's a free tool, and all you need to do is to sign up with your Gmail account and you'll be able to access it. So right now we are going to click on the start now button so that we can get started with the whole process. Okay, so like you can see, just like ChatGPT, it's going to bring you a chart that you can use. Okay, and to be able to use its latest version, you have to make sure that you select the Deepthink R1. Okay, so just like that, and then you're going to input your prompt over here. So I'm going to paste mine over here, and it says give me 5 kids learning songs ideas. So we are going to click on that and we see what it's going to come up with. Okay, so like you can see right now, it's in the process of thinking. So it first thinks about everything and then finally it gives you the results that you deserve. So these are the results that it generated for us. Like you can see, there is alphabet adventure, and the most amazing thing about this is that it even gives you the theme, lyrics, hook, and then also the activity. Okay, so you can go through the different ideas that it provided, and if you find the particular one that you want to use, you're just going to come over here and then you're going to say, for example, let's say we like the first one. Okay, so I'm just going to say, let me paste my prompt over here. It says, generate me the lyrics. Okay, sorry, generate for me the lyrics, include matching music style, and include image prompt for each verse. So I want to identify, the one I like, which is number one. So I'll include it over there, just like that. And then I'm just going to click on this enter button and we see what results it's going to come up with. Like you can see, once again, it's in that thinking process. Then after thinking, it's going to give us the results. Okay. So before we run through the final results, I just want to mention to you that I went back to the prompt and I included that I wanted my images in 3D pixel style. So if you're not sure about this, just leave the AI to think for you. But I was sure that this is the style that I wanted. And now we can give, a quick run through to our results. Like you can see, once again, it gave us number one as alphabet adventure. Then it gave us the theme, music style, upbeat, like you can see. So it goes ahead to give us the first verse and the lyrics for the first verse, like you can see, from A to D. Then it gives us the image prompt that we asked for, and like you can see, it's in 3D pixel style. Yes, guys, this has come out really well. So it goes ahead to show us the second verse, same thing, like you can see. Then it has a chorus, like you can see over there. Then the bridge, like you can see. So everything has come out really great, guys. So what we are going to be doing next is to highlight and paste this into another AI that is going to help us turn the lyrics into an actual song, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So the tool we are going to be using is known as Suno AI, and once again, you can sign up with your Gmail over here. So once you're on the interface, you're going to click on create, just like that, and then it's going to bring you over here. So this button could be on the end like this, so you need to turn it to custom because we are going to make a custom song, and make sure this is on V4, which is the latest version of Suno AI. Okay, so like you can see down here, it requires you to input your lyrics. So you're going to go back to Deepseek and you're going to highlight the lyrics. Okay, so we only want the lyrics, so we want for the first verse, which is this, and we are going to copy those. Okay, just like that. Then we are going to paste it into Suno AI. just like this. Then we are going to go back and collect the next verse, which is verse 2. And yeah, so we are going to get this as well, just like that. Okay. So next, it requires for style of music, and Deepseek provided that for us. So we are just going to come over here and we are going to copy and paste this into Suno AI. Okay, just like this. Okay. So down here, it also requires for the title of the song, and Deepseek did provide that with us. So we are just going to copy this and then we are going to go ahead and paste it over here. So now the only thing is left is for us to create the song. Okay, so we are going to click on create and we see what results it's going to come up with. So it generated for us two songs. This one is the first one, and then there is also this one. Okay, so we are going to listen to both of these and we see which one came out the best, and that's what we are going to be using.
A is for apple, shining red. B is for bear with a fluffy bed. C is for cat with a purr so sweet. D is for duck with waddling feet.
Okay, that's not bad. Let's first listen to the second one as well, and we also see how it has come out so that we can make our decision.
E is for apple, shining red. B is for bear with a fluffy bed. C is for cat with a purr so sweet. D is for duck with waddling feet.
Okay, they are both nice, but I think I like the second one better. So I'm just going to click on download over here. Then we are going to download it onto our device. So we are downloading it as an MP3 audio. Okay, so you're just going to click on download, and that way it's going to save on your device. So next we need to generate images for our music video. And to do that, we are going to be using Canva's DreamLab. So all you have to do is to come and click over here, and then it's going to bring you to the interface where we can enter our prompts that we generated earlier on and have our beautiful images created. But before we continue, I want to point out something. If you remember, with our first prompt, when it comes to the image generation, the prompt is generic. It doesn't separate letters A, B, C, D. So this is not going to bring out the vision of our song, okay? So this would work best if you're working with maybe like animals specifically, but since we are dealing with letters, I want every letter to have its own prompt so that our music video can make sense, okay? So what I did is I went back to Deepseek and I gave it a new prompt that said, generate for me image prompts for each letter. The letters can be in a cartoonish, sorry, the letters can be in cartoonish characters. Then make a generic prompt for the chorus and the bridge, okay? And like you can see over here, everything came out really great. For example, when we go to the first letter, which is letter A for Apple, like you can see, it simply gives us like a detailed prompt that will bring out our vision really well. So this is what we are going to be working with. By the way, guys, if you're finding value in this video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Okay, thank you so much, and let's proceed. So right now I'm back to Canva, and like I said earlier on, we are going to be using DreamLab, and this is what the interface looks like. So let's go back to Deepseek, and we will get our first prompt. But before we do that, make sure the aspect ratio is on 16:9. Okay, so let's go back to Deepseek, and we will get our first prompt. Okay, for letter A. So I'm just going to copy this, just like this. And then we are going to go ahead and paste it into Canva over here. Then now you're just going to click on the create button, and that way they're going to generate for us the image that we are going to be using. So here are the results that we got from our first generation. Like you can see, you get 4 images per click. So I went ahead to regenerate, and these are the second results I got. So I can see a few images that I can use for our project. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same process for the remaining letters. Okay, so I'm going to delete this, then I'll go back to Deepseek and I'll copy the image prompt for letter B, just like this. Then I'm going to go back to Canva and I paste it over here, just like how we did with the first one. Then I'm going to click on create. So I'm going to work on the rest of the images off screen so that I can save you guys time, and I'm going to show you how everything comes out. So these are the letters that we've worked on, and now what we are going to do is to download them. Okay, so to download our letters, we are going to be clicking over here. So there is a download option over here. This is all you have to click on, and that way it's going to download onto your device. So you're going to arrange them in their correct numbers from the first one to the last one. Okay, then you put them in a folder. Then I'm going to show you how we can animate them into videos. Okay. To animate our images into videos, you can use any of your favorite image to video AI tool. For example, it can be like Hailuo AI, or it could be Kling AI, any of your favorite. Okay, so all you have to do is to click on image to video option, and then you're going to upload the image that you'd like to turn into a video. So right now I'm trying to allocate the folder where I saved my images, like you can see. So I'm just going to go one by one, and I make them animations. Okay, once it's done uploading, you're going to come over down here and you'll add a prompt that is going to help this AI identify the movements you want with your characters. So to simply do that, we are going to go back to Deepseek and we will collect our first prompt by copying it, and then we are going to go back to Hailuo AI and we paste it over there, just like this. Make sure you turn on this button over here for better results, and then once you're done, you're just going to click on generate. Okay, just like that, and then we are going to give it some few seconds to see how it comes out. So it's done generating right now, and we are going to look at how our video came up once we assemble everything. But right now, just click on the download button over here. You save it on your device, and you're going to follow the same exact steps for the remaining images. So I'm going to work on mine offline so that we can save time, and then I'm going to show you how we are going to assemble them into one video. Okay. To assemble our video, you're going to choose any of your favorite video editor. It can be CapCut or any other video editor that you're familiar with and which is easy for you to use. Okay, in this case, I'm going to use Clipchamp, and all you have to do once you sign up, you're going to import all your clips. Okay, so you're going to click on import over here, and that way you'll be able to import all your clips, like you can see, plus the audio that we generated earlier on. So now we are going to drag the audio and we drop it down here, just like that. Then we are just going to make sure we layer the videos on top of the audio, and you just have to make sure that everything makes sense. When they're talking about a certain letter, make sure in the video is the exact letter playing. For example, let's try with letter A first. Okay, so this is the video for letter A. I'm going to come and drop it here. So you will play the video, and where they end with letter A, you will cut that, and you will start with letter B, C, and all the letters. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. And if you want to add some transitions to the video, you can as well click over here and you go through the different transitions available. So if you find the ones you want to use, you will just have to just drag it like this, and then you will drop it over here where it says add transition, just like that. So you can do that for the entire video. Now that we are done putting everything together, let's play our video to see how it has come out.
From